So we are at Huckleberry Junction here, and we have the Daniel and the Dixie Diggers animatronic show featuring Jethro P. Hogg. A lot of you guys wonder, how does this stuff work? Pretty cool here. I'm going to give you guys a little demo. Right on the wall here, we have a little control panel, and it's this simple. Here you go. Showtime. And off they go. A little bit of Sinatra for y'all. New York, New York. This is Colonel Buford T. Beauregard, Scratch Mo, and Daniel T. Bones tinkling the ivories. Authentic New Orleans Dixieland jazz.